All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have found a pool that was at the bottom of the pool. Look at that. Anybody can be a pool cleaner with the Z1 Pro. Now you're probably asking yourselves, why on earth would a company send me a pool cleaner if I don't have a pool? Well, I have access to a pool, so we're gonna see what that all looks like. Big shout out to DREAME for sending over the Z1 Pro and sponsoring this video. Okay, here's the quick start guide. It tells you what's in the box, how to charge it, installing the app. Okay, it's app controlled from your phone, operating it, user manual. I believe they call this a retrieval hook. And if you're ever mad at someone, you can just, give them the hook. This looks like Count Dooku's lightsaber. But yes, remote control. This is the charging cable for the remote control. There's a little microfiber attached to like a little zip tie, okay? And we've got the magnetic charger for the pool cleaner. This, oh, it's pretty heavy. Oh gosh. All right, so we've got power button, we got a mode button, we got the magnetic charger right here. There's a couple of water outlets here. Light communication receiver, that's for the remote. Of course, there's the handle here. On this, they have a few sensors, and these are the front roller brushes. Okay, flipping it around, we've got a button right here, which opens the hatch, and you can clean out the basket. That's how you do that. Just wash this thing once it's filled with all the dirt and stuff. That's how you access this area here with a little button right there. I'm gonna get this thing charged up and download the app, find a pool, and get back to all of this. I'm super excited about this. This is actually pretty cool. All right, everybody, I am here at a local school, an elementary school. So this pool usually gets cleaned twice a week because this is technically considered a public pool. So, all right, connecting to Bluetooth. It's down there on the ground there. Okay, Bluetooth connected, successful. Cleaning, okay, cleaning settings. Okay, so we have standard. If we tap on this, it says covers the pool floors, walls, and water line. I got it. And then we got floor only, and it has a nice little picture. Walls only. Okay, so it just goes up and down the walls and does like a little thing there. Waterline focus. Okay, so this one, the waterline looks a little, yeah, it looks like there's a bunch of stuff on the waterline, so we'll see about that. I don't know how long this is going to take. They said it was going to take about 2 hours. This is my first time using it. And then a complete. Cleans all areas of the pool, including floor and walls simultaneously. The robot cleans continuously by default. That's the complete one. Let's just do the standard. So let's click setup here. We got 3 modes here: eco, standard, and power. And then cleaning times. Well, let's just go with the default settings, standard, and cleaning times 1 per squiggle or whatever. Let's go confirm that. I'm gonna go put this in on the shallow end. Yeah, let's try that. And just a quick note, the hook for recovery can go on any standard size pole here. It does give you a couple of options. I had to put it down to the second hole here because that's the only one that would fit with this pole. Oh, it just sinks? There it is, it's there, okay. Okay, so it is cleaning. It just had to get connected real quick. Robot is cleaning, sparkling pool awaits. That's all it's saying. It said, oh, it does say Z1 Pro underwater. Okay. All right, it's getting into the deeper end. Oh, it's turning. It's turning. It's turning. I thought I would hear something, but this thing is silent. I guess it makes sense, right? Because it's underwater. Oh, it's about to hit the steps. What's going to happen is it's going to bump it and then move, right? Oh, it didn't hit the steps. Looks like it's got some sort of collision avoidance. Oh, it's got sensors all over the place. That's right. Climbing up the wall. Oh, it's changing angles. Oh, it's straightening out. Straightening out. What sound does it make? Does this mean it's done? I don't know, I have to look at some literature or something, but this might be it's done. Okay, so I think it's done. It's got this like orange LED. Oh, look at that. All right, Z1 Pro, I see you. I see you. Look at all this. Oh, task complete. Looks like what we got. Filtered 70,640 liters. It says L. Duration 150 minutes. Battery used 90%. Wow. Used up almost all the battery. Oh, it's so dark over here. All right, yeah, that's right. It's nighttime. So, okay. So then I click got it, and then that's it. Yeah, all right, so we're gonna empty this all out, and I'm gonna get this charged up, and in a couple of days, do another pool. Very cool. I can't believe it got that rocket thing. That's kind of crazy. What is up, everybody? I've located pool number 2. Now, this is a private pool in someone's backyard, so thank you to the homeowner for allowing me to shoot in here. And it is a little bit different as it's not as big, it's shaped differently, and it only gets cleaned once a week. So let's check out how dirty this thing is. So right down here in the middle, there's a lot of dirt and leaves right by the grate there. Let's see if it picks it all up. Yeah, that'll be a good test. Bluetooth connection successful. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. It's got 100% power. We're just gonna start this guy. So it says, please put robot in the water. Here we go. And I'm just gonna tap, it's in the water. And here we go again. Robot is cleaning, a sparkling pool awaits. So I'm just gonna sit in the shade over here while that does its thing. And we'll see if it actually gets all this dirt down here by the grate. And yeah, let's see what happens. All right, everybody. This is what it does when it's done. So let's go to the device on the app, show you what it says here. Oh yeah, here we go. Task complete. Okay. It tells us it started at 12:39 and ended at 2:49, so 2 hours 10 minutes. It's gonna empty a whole lot of water here. So let's see what's in the basket here. There's the button. Here's the basket. We got a whole lot. Hopefully that's in focus. I can't really see, but yeah, did a pretty good job. The actual pool surface, you know, underwater looks great. It got rid of that big bunch of dirt that I'll show on screen. Big mess that was down by the grate is gone. I was actually pleasantly surprised. If I was to want to do a full cleaning of the pool, I would of course take a net and get all the leaves at the top of it, but I'm not doing that. That's not me. I'm the DJ, not the pool cleaner. But anybody can be a pool cleaner with the Z1 Pro. Be sure to click the link in the description for more information and to order your Z1 Pro today. Let's see you in the next one. Peace.